Hey everybody, it's Casey at Broke Neck Adventures. I'm going to take you on a little night ride on the oldest road in America, or section of it. It's called Old Georgetown Road. Originally an Indian path, long before the United States was even an idea. A little rough, make them voice shake, but it's kind of fun. I love riding at night. Traffic's slow. Well, this is a back road. The traffic's never bad on this. Ooh. The sand, though, is not fun. Definitely a fat tire type of bike, if any. Basically riding to get my legs back under me so I can hit the road soon. I keep saying it, but I keep getting delayed. The sand, when it gets soft like this, is an absolute nightmare. I can still see tracks when I rode this morning. So there you go. I can't stop right now. Oh geez. Yep. When the sand gets soft, it is absolutely awful. There's a little harder spot, good. But when I'm riding and the sand's soft, the way this rear end of the trike wants to dance around, and I'm running empty too. It's even worse when you have weight on. Here we go. Now we're in hard stuff again. But night riding is probably my favorite. With good light, well illuminated, good blinking in the back, good visibility. But this is awesome. Hold on. The sounds of silence.